Hi, second grade math friends. Today is Wednesday, May 6, 2020, and today we will be using Math Mountains to work on measurement story problems. The first thing I want you to do is watch Brain Pop Jr. on centimeters, millimeters, and kilometers. So I want you to go ahead and hit pause on this until you watch that, and then come back and I will walk you through your math workbook pages 399 to 400. So hit pause. All right, so now you should have your math book workbook page out and open to page 399 to 400. The first one, it says, Carl draws a line segment that is 18 centimeters long. So if he draws a line segment, here's a line segment, it's 18 centimeters long, then he makes it 14 centimeters longer. He adds on to it. How long is the line segment now? Do we know the total of how long it is now? Nope. So our unknown is up at the top there. We don't know how long it is. So that's our unknown. But we know how long did it start off as? 18 centimeters, yep. And then how long did he add, or what length did he add on to it? 14, yep. So now we know we can take 18 plus 14 to get our unknown total. So on the side of your paper, I want you to go ahead and write your equation. 18 plus 14 equals what? Start in the ones cup. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We carry the 1, drop the 2. Then 1, 2, 3, and we get 32. So you're going to write 32. So then you are going to write 32. And what's our label? If we forget, we go back and reread. How long is the line segment now? That didn't tell us what our label would be. So Carl draws a line segment that is 18 centimeters long. Then he makes it 14 centimeters longer. So what's our label? Centimeters. Yep. 32 centimeters. Let's look at the next one here. Samantha runs 45 meters, stops, then she runs some more. We don't know how much more she ran, but we know she started running 45. She runs a total of 95 meters. How many meters does she run after her stop? So how many total meters did she run all together? 95, yep. So at the top of our math mountain is 95 because that's our total. How many did she run to start? 45, yep. And we don't know, here's our unknown, we don't know how long she ran after she stopped. So if I draw my subtractions and my plus, there are two ways to get my answer. I can do 95 minus 45, or I can do 45 plus what equals 95. I'm going to go ahead and do 95 minus 45 equals, so 5, if I have 5, can I take away 5? Yep, it's 0. If I have 9, can I take away 4? Yep, 50. So then I'm going to put my answer. How many meters, meters did she run after her stop? How many meters did she run? Yep, 50 meters. Wow, she's a fast runner, a good runner. I bet if she's running all of that. All right, number 3, we'll do 2 more together here. A ribbon is 48 inches long. Taylor uses 32 inches of the ribbon to make a bow. How much ribbon is left? So how many total inches long was the ribbon to start with? Yep, 48 inches. So at the top, we're going to put 48. How many inches does Taylor use? Yep, 32. And then our unknown is how much ribbon does he then have left? We don't know. How can we solve it? We can do 38 minus 42, or 32, excuse me. Or we can do 32 plus what equals 48. I'm going to go ahead and do subtraction again. 42 minus 32. Okay, let's hold up 2 fingers. Can I take away 2? Yep. What is it? 0. Okay, and then 4 minus 3. Can I do it? If I have 4, can I take away 1, 2, 3? How many's left? 1. Yep, so what's my answer? How much ribbon is left? Yep, 10, what? What's my label? Yep, 10 inches. Okay. All right, now I'm going to have you go ahead and solve them on your own. I will read them to you and give you hints, but you're going to go ahead and solve them on your own. Number 4, Mr. Parker cut 9 feet from the end of a pole. The pole is now 22 feet long. How long was the pole before Mr. Parker cut it? Do we know the total of how long it was before? No. So it was 22 feet long, so that's one of our addends that goes at the bottom, plus the 9 feet he cut. That's our second addend that goes at the bottom. So then we have to add 22 plus 9 more equals what? Then go ahead and put your answer with your label. Hit pause until you finish this one. When you're ready, hit play. Number 5, a race course is 99 meters long. There are trees along 38 meters of the course. How long is the part of the course without trees? Well, what's the total? How long is the race course? Yep, 99 meters. So that goes at the top of the math mountain. There are 38 trees along 38 meters of the course. So that's one of our addends. So you can either use your add up method or subtraction to solve. Go ahead and hit pause until you're ready for the next one. Number 6, Miss Godwin paints a fence that is 81 feet long. Mr. Sendick paints a fence that is 56 feet long. How much longer is the fence of Miss Goodwin's paints? Is the fence that she paints? Okay, well, how would we solve this? What would we need to do? Yeah, we know one fence is 81 feet long, The other one is 56 feet long, so our total is the 81 at the top minus the 56 of the shorter fence, and then we have to subtract to find out how much longer the fence is. Go ahead, hit pause, hit play when you're ready. Oshanti has a necklace that is 24 centimeters long. She makes the necklace 36 centimeters longer. How long is the necklace now? Do we know the total yet? Nope. So our unknown is up at the top there. We don't know that total yet. Okay, but we know Oshanti has a necklace that's 24 centimeters. Then she adds on 36 more centimeters. How long is it now? Go ahead and hit pause while you solve. Hit play to move on to the last one. A giant flag is 6 meters long. Vern adds 4 meters to its length. How long is the flag now? So it was 6 meters. He adds 4 more. How long is it now? Hit pause till you finish. Hit play when you're ready. All right, nice job. Now you have 2 optional IXLs if you would like to complete some IXLs today. The first one is S9, so I'll show you some examples of that. Go ahead and make sure you log in. It says, which is a better estimate for the height of a swing set? Would it be 2 meters? Remember the meter sticks we made at school? 2 meters or 2 centimeters? You're right, I would guess 2 meters. That would be taller. Which is a better estimate for the length of a French fry? Whoa, do you think it would be 11 of those meter sticks we had put together? Or 11 centimeters? Yeah, I would guess 11 centimeters too. That would be a really long French fry if it was 11 meters. Okay, that's the first IXL. Then the second IXL is S10. It says Lindsay's pine tree is 18 meters tall. Carson's pine tree is 2 meters taller than Lindsay's. Eddie's pine tree is 4 meters shorter than Lindsay's. Who has the tallest pine tree? So for this one, I would get a piece of paper and a pencil out to solve. You have to break it down. If Lindsay's pine tree is 18 meters tall and Carson's pine tree is 2 meters taller than Lindsay's, then Carson's would be 20 meters tall. I'm going to write that down, 20 meters. Eddie's pine tree is 4 meters shorter than Lindsay's, so hers would be 18 minus 4 is 14. Who has the tallest pine tree? Carson does, because his is 20 meters tall. Okay, oops. If this pops up, you know what to do. It means you forgot to log in, so make sure you log in for the day. All right, and then the last thing that is optional is to go ahead and practice your extra math for today. All right, good luck, have fun. Let me know if you have questions.